How to add any direction wipe transition in Adobe Pro. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do this. So you must follow some steps for that and the steps will be explained in this video. So you should start by importing your clips. Any videos or photos that you want to import, you can just import it into in any timeline of the video. Now after importing it, the position of the clips are very important. Place the clips on the timeline so that the end of the first clip and the beginning of the second clip are adjacent to each other. Now open the effects panel and search for the wipe transition. In the effects panel, type wipe in the search bar. And now you should see the wipe under the video transition category. Apply the wipe transition and then modify the transition direction by selecting and going to the effect controls, opening the window, and now again go to the effect controls. And now when you view the effect controls panel under the wipe settings, you can adjust the direction by setting the angles in the degree, like 0 degree will wipe for the left to right, 90 for bottom to top, and 180 for right to left, 270 for top to bottom. You can set any angle you desire for a custom. Now you can also adjust the transitions duration and the border width if you want a border along the wipe. Preview the transition, play the timeline to review your wipe transition. Adjust the timing or direction as needed. So this is the method that allows you to create a wipe transition in any direction you choose by simply adjusting the angle. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.